Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of custard biscuits. In a bowl add half cup butter at room temperature. Grind half cup sugar and add it to the bowl. Cream the butter and sugar thoroughly till light and fluffy. Add 1 beaten egg yolk and mix. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix. Add 3/4 cup of flour. Half cup of custard powder and mix. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix. Add 1/4 cup of flour little by little as you need. Knead till it forms into a dough. Once the dough doesn't stick to the fingers, the dough is ready. And cut into desired shapes. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. It took me 15 minutes to bake these biscuits, but do check after 10 to 12 minutes if the biscuits are ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.